3, go.
We try to leave the house by
8
o'clock.
Don't tell a story.
so we can get to work on time.
I really like living in this type of environment where it's like city is downtown, but where we live is quiet.
What's the deal with yellow raspberries? I've never seen yellow raspberries before.
I'm 38 weeks pregnant. His name's gonna be Emery.
Oh, do you want to try one, Lincoln?
So with the new baby coming, there's gonna be a little bit of a change happening. So
A dance.
yeah.
A new dance.
And Lincoln definitely knows there is
a
baby.
Trying to find ways to get my son to be interested in healthy food and not name it good or bad. I know that just as much as we want him to do it, we have to model what we want.
Good job, try again.
If I weren't spontaneous, we might not ever do anything. And if he weren't a planner, we might get lost.
So that you don't have to really do anything. We can just put it in the freezer.
When I plan, it takes away the stress. We handle grocery shopping by actually making a list. It's an app on the phone that if Candice is here and I'm in the grocery store, she can update it and I see what's on there.
Our supermarket is really good for like meat in bulk and things in bulk. And so we might just prepare the chicken so that it's kind of seasoned and everything. And so that might be raw but seasoned and spending the whole day marinating in the fridge. And then you just put it in the oven.
Preparing it makes my week a little easier.
Lincoln, right now he's a toddler and toddlers are notoriously picky eaters. So he's just like, I'm not into the vegetables right now.
So James, you gonna make some shakes for tomorrow?
You can put anything that you want in the shake, and as long as it tastes good, so I'll add a little yogurt to it, and then you can add some spinach, you can add strawberries, or whatever it is. As long as it tastes good to him, he'll eat it. So we get him his vegetables that way.
You have some for tomorrow morning. That's fantastic.
When I get hungry and I'm not prepared, I make bad decisions.
That's what I would say, having stuff accessible.
And clean and ready, right? Like I've been in situations where the bag of grapes is in the fridge, but it still feels like it's too hard. If the setup is there for you, then your split-second decisions are still good.
Because I've
Good
seen it
ones.
with Lincoln where there'll be cookies on the table and fruit right next to it.
You want a banana?
He'll always go for the cookies. But if the cookies aren't there, then he'll ask for a banana.
In this hand. All right, well,
My son now is interested in helping with everything, helping with food prep.
shake it.
I cut it up and he puts it in the bowl. And wherever we can, or just having him there is nice.
Are you helping mommy?
Yeah.
James is our superhero. He makes things happen that otherwise might not happen. It's great. We really love him. I'm Candice,
I'm James.
and these are our family's healthy eating solutions.